Hey, welcome back, y'all. What's happening? Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. And anybody out there that's new, welcome to the Nut House. Thank you so very much for joining us. I need you to pull up your chair and join the circle, okay? Now, up under your chair, you may find yourself your own little care package. And in that care package, you're going to find a brochure with all the rules and regulations to the Nut House, all right? And you're also going to find your own little personal little straight jacket there with your nail brush. I'm going to need you to gather your belongings, all right, so we can get started, okay? All right, all my nailaholics. Today, I'll be trying out this here new Modelones Nail Gel Extension Builder Enhancement Kit. Yeah, try and say that fast 5 times. How would you say? No, you won't be able to do it. Don't even worry about it. Girl, don't worry about it. You can't do it. Now, look at here. Let's check out what's in this kit. The kit comes with 6 polygels. They are 15 grams each. You have the temperature color change here. You have the nude, pure white, soft pink, light apricot, and light pink. Okay? It does not come with a clear, I noticed. It also comes with the picker that has the name on it. You guys know how I like that. It comes with a file 100 by 180 grit. It comes with a 15 ml slip solution. Ooh. Okay. I don't want to go sniffing on that. That's not going to happen. Okay, it also comes with a 10 ml base, 10 ml top coat. It comes with these dual forms. And if you guys have watched me before, you know I do not like dual forms because me and dual forms and polygels does not get along. This is the case. Nice storing case though. Be great for tips if you ever run out your dual forms, but these are a gift that keeps on giving, so I doubt if you ever do. Soak them in your barbicide, girl, and that's a gift that keep on giving. Them dual forms, I tell you, boy, they last your lifetime. So, but you know, I don't too much care for them. But anyway, look here. We got some fine blue glitter, and we also got some little purple rhinestone things here, all right? So I think that's about it. I think I showed y'all everything in this kit. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my nails together, and we're gonna go ahead and get on with the design. Here's the swatches of the color. This is light apricot, nude, light pink, soft pink, pure white. This is the temperature change color when it's cold. Probably can touch it to warm it up. Yep. As I'm pressing on it, I'm getting it warm. This is the color when it's warm, okay? Okay, so what I decided to do was go in with this here nail form. I decided to just sculpt the nail instead of using a tip this time. Something I've never done with polygel before. Then I looked over and I seen these here in my little drawer. And I purchased these here from a dollar store. Okay. So these are some iridescent heart confettis. So I'm gonna go in using a temperature changing color on my thumb here. All right. And we're gonna try and encap some of these little hearts. I think this would be cute. What y'all think? Think that'll be cute? I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. Okay, I got some of these here little hearts scattered out here. I'm gonna move these here big ones over to the side because I don't think I want to use those. Well, actually, these here bigger ones, they too big to encapsulate. So I'm gonna try and go in with some of these middle size and smaller hearts. How about that? Y'all think that's gonna look cute? I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. Now, as far as this polygel kit, I only seen one person review this kit so far here on the YT, and that was my cousin, long hair pretty nails. Went by her place the other day and seen her and old Mark and Mark review this kit, and they did an excellent job over there, I must say. Yeah. All right, I'm sorry I'm babbling, y'all. I'm just trying to get me some hearts going on here. And I'm gonna go in with this here base. I already added a coat of this base and cured it, but I'm gonna do it again because y'all wasn't here with me when I did it. So I'm gonna go in with some base and add it to the nail bed here. cure that. I'm gonna add some of this lip solution to my jabber. Right here. And we're gonna test this polygel out. right, y'all, so this is the final look right here. I had to tell you guys my pros and my cons about the kit. Well, I don't really have any cons about the kit because the kit actually performed excellent. All right, so if I had to grade it, I will give it a B++. And the reason why I'll give it a B++ is because this here slip solution, child, I cannot get with the slip solution. I'd rather use alcohol on my nails with the 70%. And some polygels you can use 90% alcohol. So yeah, I prefer the alcohol than to use the slip solution. But yeah, so this is the overall look of the nail here. I had dipped it in ice water. You guys seen that in the video. I had to find my tongue for a minute. Yeah, so and that was like over 10 minutes ago, and it still got the little pink tint to it, so that's pretty good. Wow, kind of give it that little ombre look. Yeah, sorry I didn't give you guys a full nail tutorial, you know, with all the nails being done, but yeah, I got something else in store for y'all, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss my video. But yeah, y'all tell me what you think about this here. Will I recommend this kit? Yes, I will. Hands down, I will recommend this kit because the performance of the gels is excellent. And I am so glad Modelones decided to come up with a polygel kit. Or come out with a polygel kit, okay? But yeah, okay, but this is another thing I want to tell you. Keep in mind, when you're doing polygel nails too, make sure you do not get any air bubbles. Now, looking at this here, this kind of look cute because it almost look like a little fish tank with the little bubbles going on up in there, but nah, that ain't cute if you don't want no bubbles in your nails, baby. So just take your time laying your polygel and pat out them bubbles. Me, on the other hand, I was trying to hurry up and do something and get this video up and out, and wanted to show y'all how this kit performs, okay? So just keep in mind when you're applying your polygels, make sure you get all them air bubbles up out of there because you can get air bubbles in your polygels, okay? All right, y'all, so that's my time. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute with a whole nother other video. Y'all let me know how y'all like this little thumb. Y'all like this little thumb? If you do, thumbs it up. If you don't, I understand. You a hater. All right, in a minute, y'all. In a minute.